Hi everyone, it's Deb. I wanted to come today because we have a crafter in our community who is in need of our help. So Tina from Shabbydabbydoodah put out a video a couple of days ago, and I will link that below, how she's having a really hard time right now. So I went to her shop and I bought lots and lots of kits, lots of things. This is only a few that I got, and I'm going to show them to you. I will link all of the kits or things that I purchased from her in the description below. And I just hope that you go over and give her love. Like, if you can't afford to buy anything from her, leave a comment on one of her videos, telling her that you love her, because she's an amazing artist. She is an amazing crafter. I have watched Tina for years, and I know that there are other people out there that have done videos already. I know that Crafting by Me, Edith has done one. Rachel from Roxy Creations has done one. And I know that there's others. Anyways, I am putting hashtag Shabbydabbydoodah on the title of this video. And if you can do a video so that you can show the same information to your subscribers, because they may be different than mine, that would be great. If you can't, that's okay too. If you can support her, go buy something from her shop. Her kits are so reasonable. I sell my own kits. That doesn't matter. I'm here to support Tina in any way I can. And she's going, like I said, she's going through a really, really hard financial time right now. And probably, it's not easy for her with her children. So I just I just cried with her. And I will put a link to her video as well. Did I say that? I might have. Anyways, I will link her video down below as well. So I'm going to show you what I have purchased. I haven't printed it all. It takes a long time to print things. So this is only a portion of what I got. These were vintage headers. I marked the tops of the ones that I printed, and I just wanted to give you a quick look. I'm hoping that this is going to be good. I know my lighting is really, really bright. I wish that I could tone it down, but I can't really. Anyway, I don't know if I'm in frame totally. I'm trying to be in frame as best I can. Okay, whoops. There we go. I printed these very quickly on just printer paper. They would be brighter if I used photo paper, but I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for yet. We'll see. But they're gorgeous. I love them. Love every one of them. So even to the same ones smaller, which I think is a plus. And you get many, many, many pages in Tina's kits. So that was vintage headers. And these I had bought before, but I wanted you to know that they're there. I love these. Love them. She's very creative. Here's more labels, which is, more of what I'm really needing right now is labels, because I don't have that many labels in my Etsy store. So I just wanted to just support Tina, period. So these come in all different colors, all different sizes. These are nice, dark ones, which is unusual. I really like these. Very, very, very nice. Great work, Tina. If you've ever watched my videos, I probably not. But anyways, I just wanted to come on and quickly show you see, she's even made them smaller. So whatever you need them for, that's for sure. It's amazing. It's great. Just great. So I just want to, I'm going to move these as I go through them. So I think I missed that one and that one. See, that's what I mean. I'm going to move the ones I've shown you over here. And then I can put the clip back on this for the labels. And this one, it was a single. And this is a vintage photo set 2. This is amazing. I could use these over and over and over and over again. I'm sure of it. This one here is Perfect Pockets. So unique is all I can say. She's got an eye for color and an eye for design. She shows you how to fold it here. These pockets. These were awesome. Huh. I turned it. Put it back. This one here is called The Secret Garden. This is a huge, I mean huge kit. And I'm going to put these over here so we don't get confused. Make sure I'm in frame. And like that's a beautiful collage page. So this is Vintage Garden. I think it's beautiful. I might be doing a journal with this one. It's beautiful. And because Tina is in the UK, her size of paper is different. So I uncheck fit to page so that then it becomes less on the top and bottom, because this is where we're really different, is in the width of our 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11 works out. You got a little bit left here and a little bit left here, but if you uncheck that, uncheck fit to page, you get this less on the top, which gives you, one sec. It gives you, let me just get the right ruler here. It gives you approximately 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 high, which is a little different than our paper here, but that's okay. I don't mind that. But just remember, if you're from the United States or Canada, just to uncheck fit to page and it won't print off. And she even has a coffee dyed paper for you. And then here are the ephemera pages for this kit. I just want to make sure I'm in frame. So, aren't these gorgeous? I just love them. That's a very lovely envelope as well as this mini envelope. So many choices, so many things. And you don't have to use these as like in a journal. You can use them in anything. Use them in your collage. So, I bent that one a little bit. So that's, did I say vintage garden? No. Yeah, the secret garden. That's the secret garden. And that's a lot of pages. That's a lot of pages. And the next one I got was Victorian Beauties. These are so cute. How adorable, hey? Whoops, I got a little stamp there. These are just adorable. So you get 3 pages. And really, her prices are amazing. The next one I'm showing you now is Victorian Ephemera. Just make sure I'm in frame. I don't know if I can go any higher if I need to. I think it's good enough. You'll get the gist. Victorian Ephemera. These I would use them a lot. Yeah. There's many. So you can't go wrong. And on top of it, you're getting something you can use, and you're supporting her. And her financial support is what she needs from us right now. The next thing I have is the Victorian Gallery. These are scrumptious. Love them. Great job, Tina. Love these. And then you even get tags. Like, how gorgeous is that? It's beautiful. I don't know which way, this way. And you've even got this background behind, which I think is awesome. So, that's Victorian Gallery. And, oh no, I'm stuck to my, oh, I was stuck to tape. I thought it was going to tear. These are Victorian London, and I printed 2 per page. I just wanted to get them really quickly printed so that I could get my video done. And I still am not done printing. I bought so much from her shop, I can't print it all fast enough. So I love the blue ones, and you get different colored ones in this kit, but I only printed the blue because I'm going to probably use the blue right away. So, but there, believe me, there's different colors of these in the kit. So you can check that out. I will link it. And then I got Victorian Springtime, which I did again, print 2 per page. Isn't this beautiful? I love that. Well, I love them all. Really. I mean, they're all gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So I can go back and choose the ones I want and just print a full page. I did print some full pages. Look at all those frames. Aren't those to die for? Beautiful. Oh, I did print them. Okay. Actually, I think, to be honest, because I didn't put it on collate, I got the smaller version versus the large version. This should have been first. Okay, I don't remember what I did if I printed 2 per page. See, these are 2 per page, I'm sure. I don't think Tina did that, but maybe she did. I thought it was me. So, Tina, I'm sending you my love. I hope everyone else sends you their love and lets you know how much they care. We are all cheering you on and trying to help you out because we want to and we love you. Now I'm just going to, because I printed these and I bought them on the same day but at different times. I bought Blue Haze, Blue Green, 20-page junk journal printable kit, okay? The Curator's Collection, Botanical, 11-page Birdhouse Terrace, the 6-page Birdhouse Terrace in red, vintage. These are the backgrounds, and then, I don't know, maybe I bought them I don't think so. This is the journaling cards. It says right here, journaling cards. You can't read that, I know. I bought the 10-page Hampton Heath kit from her. Blossom Blush, 24-page. Can you believe this? 24-page, and the 21-page Shabby Chic collection, which I think I just showed part of it to you. And then I went back and purchased the 6-page vintage headers, which I showed you. 15-page Victorian Springtime. 6-page Victorian Gallery, floral themed. They're fussy cuts. Perfect Pocket Pack, which I showed you. 12-page Victorian Ephemera pieces. I think I showed you that. And the 2 collage Midnight Blues background pages I didn't show you. The 21-page French collection background. I don't know that I showed you that either. But those are all the things I purchased from her so far. I got to get through printing everything first before I go back and buy more. I have no problem. I have no problem spending money on another person in our craft community. So I'm going to leave it at that. All my links will be below. And if you can do a video, use hashtag Shabbydabbydoodah. Okay? Have a great day. Bye, everyone.